Hello everyone, we're Team R1 and then we are excited to present DataDin, an AI-powered workspace to learn, implement, and benchmark GPU acceleration technique for data science. Next slide, please. Many learners remain unaware of their powerful emerging library built for GPU acceleration like NVIDIA Rapids that could drastically improve their workflows. These tools remain underutilized because they're unfamiliar, poorly serviced, and rarely part of the traditional data science courses.
As learners progress from familiar tools like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn, DataDen shines light on the next generation libraries, offering clear personalized pathways to explore. It's powered by Sol's A100 GPUs and is designed to be beginner-friendly and open to advanced users with its multimodal interface. DataDen is built around a RAG agent using open source Llama models loaded with a custom vector store. The core user interface includes an AI assistant, a benchmarker, and a data analyzer that uses GPUs on Sol through SBAT scripts. It also offers the flexibility to add your own datasets to experiment with.
Vihaan from Team R1, and this is our prototype, DataDem. It's an intelligent AI-powered workspace for GPU acceleration. Let's start with some GPU gossip. So this is a conversational RAG-based AI that I can interact with to explore GPU acceleration based on this agent's vast knowledge base. Let's say I want to learn how linear regression analysis works. So the agent provides me with a detailed response, taking me through the code that I gave it, and it also gives me some optimization insights, leveraging GPUs using specific libraries. It also runs a benchmark on the code and gives me some follow-up questions to promote exploration for this topic. The workspace feature allows me to upload any program and let the agent optimize it for me, which I can then benchmark on Sol to examine performance for both of these versions. The agent also takes me through how exactly it optimized my code. So that showcases this transparency of how this agent works. So data diving is one of the more advanced features we have. So I can choose one of my own data sets or one of these sample data sets I have. I can then generate some example task that I could run on that specific data set. And I'm basically just asking my agent to generate a comprehensive program that performs that specific task for me. So it gave me a sample program and like a brief overview of what that analysis does. And without any additional steps, I can just go ahead and run that exact program on Sol while I go have a cup of coffee. And boom, with a few clicks, I can now visualize my data set. The tutorial generator is more focused on providing more detailed guidance for tasks like setting up environments with NVIDIA Rapids or using specific libraries and packages. And finally, the notebooks feature, it just showcases the future prospects of a collaborative, personalized, and multimodal user experience for this app that would truly make it seamless and empowering as a platform for GPU acceleration in data science.
As for the results, on ASU's Sol A100 cluster, our NumPy to QPy matrix multiply benchmark ran 18 times faster, dropping from 8 seconds on the CPU to just 0.5 on the GPU. And these live metrics, they feed straight into the dashboard, so learners see the GPU pay off instantly. DataDen is highly scalable, as it can be plugged into and integrated into Canvas, research lab environments, and even game-based learning through our concept of the GPU multiverse. It's a narrative where students explore pivotal hardware trade-offs as universes through interactive storytelling. In a world of AI tutors, we stand out by not just focusing on code, but on performance, context, and continuous learning. Thank you. Very excited to answer any of your questions.
I have a question. How did you build the optimization of your code?
Could you clarify on what the optimization of code means?
You showed in the training session that you have write the code and then you have your LLM to rewrite it for you in a
Okay. Yeah, so we basically taken the code and feed it into the RAG agent as an input. So we're using two different models from Olama, one morely focused on optimizing code and one focused on the regular
ஆனா
tracking
எங்களோட
part.
நல்ல நல்லா
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Thank you.
Does that mean that you fine-tune your models?
Yeah. So as for the LLM model, backing the RAG agent, our system basically is a plug and play system. But to ensure like accurate and context-based interaction, we've built like very detailed instruction bases for every use case in our product. So there's benchmarking, there's code optimization, then there's data analysis. So we've built instructions for all three features separately. Thank you.